Holidays. The whole world loves them. That's why there's so many. Christmas.
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis.
Easter. Hanukkah. The one thing they all have in common? Food. Like Thanksgiving. That's what it's all about. A time to sit down over the holiday meal. It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the meal. You don't get it! They're fattening us up so they can eat us!
It's such a beautiful day.
It's the best day ever.
Probably the best day of my life.
Hey, corn!
And every year, they don't listen. I'm not gonna dress it up. Turkeys are dumb.
Corn.
Really dumb.
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues.
That's an awesome theory, but I think they actually call that the sun. But I kept trying.
Yeah, no.
Hey, Aspen.
You like jazz?
Seriously?
Let's go! We're going to the helicopter. And right over there is a fence, and that's a seagull, and there's a cow, and a chicken, and that's Paul. He's getting a divorce. Yay! That's a bald guy, and that's the girl who likes my daddy. That's Marcia. She eats her feelings. We're gonna have so much fun. I promise I will never, ever leave you. Oh, wait, TV!
What's up, YouTube?
I'm tired now.
Dinner. We've got a lovely.
Maybe.
Beefing with my chick while I'm in jail.
I loved my mum's chocolate cake. Yes.
I know exactly how that feels.
Will Alejandro ever find true love? Or is he destined to be alone forever?
Sounds like a pretty good destiny to me, Alejandro.
Find out.
Do not make a sound.
I'm Jake from the TFF. That's Turkey Freedom.
You know what? I'm sick of you throwing me around. You see this line?
Don't cross this line!
Snap out of it, Reggie.
Wait, how do you know my name?
Because he told me everything about you.
He? Who is he?
The Great Knob. He gave me this.
A knob.
The Sacred Time Knob.
It's a map, you idiot!
A map. Will it lead us to the time machine?
They aren't gonna just write time machine on the... Help me! Help me! Please help me!
New chrononaut detected. Engaging posterior restraint system. Setting us.
No! 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 Huh? What's going on?
Help me! Please take my hand! Get me out!
Greetings. I am STEVE Steve, your space-time exploration vehicle envoy.
Hello, Steve. I am... And this is Ari.
Lake Hayburn.
Are we?
Nowhere and everywhere, where the past, present, and future intersect.
Obviously. Now, take us to the first...
Bombing.
Destination set.
No.
Activating Chronaut safety bubble to shield from possible side effects.
Side effects? What side effects?
Side effects may include accelerated aging,
I'm cold.
rapid evolutionary regressions, erratic physical mutation into an adorable baby dragon, an octopus, a king crab, a pony, the Sasquatch.
Sassy the Sasquatch?
I hope you have enjoyed your time travel experience. Please hold on for re-entry.
I can't stay out here back in the food chain.
Aka, waka, mika, maka, moo.
I've reconned the area. We are all alone.
This is a bad idea. This is a real wild forest. It's probably full of crazy, bloodthirsty monsters.
Touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic, on me fantastic. Touch me on me box, she says I'm
Monsters. If anything happens to me, it's on your head.
Trust me, we're perfectly safe.
Here. No, he's out here. I can feel it in my nuggets.
Hello, turkeys of ye olde time. We've come in a time machine named Steve.
Bradford, come out here!
Get out here! Governor Bradford!
Please! Gentlemen, please! Please, settle down, all right? You guys look like you're...
Sandwiches. Sandwiches.
We want the food in storage!
I am the sandwich hunter. I look for stray sandwiches. Sandwiches that wander the earth. And I find those sandwiches. And I eat them with my mouth area.
But we're hungry now!
We're all hungry.
You don't look hungry!
I've got a hyperthyroid issue. Now, as you know, we have not stored enough food to see us through the winter. See that hill?
Over the hills and far away, Teletubbies come to play.
That will be all of us if we do not become friends with the
Knob.
We need that help. Without it, we will not survive, all right? Oh!
After you. It's a tiny drop, I promise.
I am still falling!
Oh! Oh.
Glutes. Glutes.
So this is...
Bombing.
An army in need of a knob.
Wow. I've never seen so many turkeys in one place. Actually,
Bombing.
I'm just shocked.
So in the future, turkeys just sit around all day, eating and staring at the...
Knob.
Yes. I mean, no. No, that would be... I mean, some do.
I am Broadbeak, leader of the flock. And this is Leatherbeak. My elder and my most trusted advisor.
You are a toy!
You. And your lovely knob. She's beautiful. So soft and feminine.
You speak with deep conviction.
Well, I can speak even deeper.
Well, Jake, let me show you our destiny.
Careful.
This is our future. Our destiny lies with them.
Oh, Cousteau was right. Oh, yeah. Oh, amazing.
Dusty?
Justy, he's your son.
Correct. Justy, you go find another one of your magical pine cones.
Meow, meow, meow.
Stealth mode. I'm stealthier. No, you're not. Popeye dive. Psst.
Hey, look.
Thank you, woodland creature.
Never taken a lesson.